Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to send a video or even a photo on the Tinder application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a Tinder application on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore me and log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, of course, you would like to launch or open the Tinder application, and that's actually will be your home screen. So of course, if you would like to send a video or a picture, if you go here to your profile by tapping at your icon at the top left corner, here you will find that you completed just 29%. Of course, you would like to complete all the 100% first by just going and editing your profile, and of course add whatever has percent here. So as you can see here, about me, job title, company, living in, my anthem, show my Instagram more. Anyway, all of that, you should add all of that. Then add this actually 9 pictures, because every picture added here will complete 4%, of course. So after completing this 100%, you would like to go to the messages here, and of course, if you have matches, you will find it down there an option called a GIF. So first of all, you will not find this option if you are not both having the 100%, as we said here, completed. But if you both have this 100% completed, and this messaging section, if you enter a DM here after matching with it, of course, or with the person you would like to send a video or a message, of course, you'll find here an option called GIF, which it's gonna be the third option at the left, of course, which is GIF. You can actually upload then there your video, or you can upload a picture and make it loop, of course, and it will be appearing like a GIF, and that's how you actually can send a video or a picture on Tinder. So that will be actually for the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.